Hi, I'm not that great at angling or lighting or... Look at that. I'm not a fancy vlogger by any means, but I try my best. So this week's gonna be pretty full on. I've got a lot of social stuff going on, a lot of work stuff going on, and then I like to sort of weave in some personal time as well. So my weekdays are pretty normal. I obviously work and I work from home. You know, I wake up, jump on my phone, take a dump, jump on my phone, shower, clean up, have some breakfast. I usually have like cereal and some protein bars. And then yeah, I go through my emails, I have some meetings throughout the day, then I have lunch around midday. I do the normal 9 to 5:30. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Having this time back has been really beneficial. Because I live in Western Sydney and work is in North Sydney, I got back around 3 hours per day when I started working from home. So I sort of don't want to go back, but you know, as things get better COVID-wise, we gotta do what we gotta do. I think that's everything. So my fridge just shat itself. It's like leaking everywhere. I'm gonna leave it disconnected for a bit and see if that helps. Wish me luck. Hi, so my old fridge shat itself. I don't know what happened. It's not working anymore. And I think it's sort of a blessing in disguise because I sort of did want a different fridge. This one, this little mini one, its freezer doesn't work. Like, it doesn't freeze anything. I can't even keep ice cream in there. Like, it just melts, it becomes soggy. I bought another used one just online and it's gonna be delivered today. It leaked everywhere and it got on some of my old clothes, so wish me luck this new one works out. On top of the fridge fiasco, I was so concerned that my clothes wasn't gonna dry because I didn't have it in the sun that long, but they dried! Yay! I have a system, I promise. My new fridge came in, not new, it's used. Delivery was easy. Is this what adulthood is like? Lighting is so random right now. I'm being lit by my Toyota Camry 2007. I'm just gonna quickly duck into GL and grab some snacks, a special snack as well for someone very special later in the week. I can't wait to share it with them. The coloring in this car is insane, but got an ice cream cone. This wasn't the treat that I was referring to though. Oh my god, you can't see my double chin, wow! My fridge is set up, my dinner plans fell through, so I just ordered something. I'm feeling sort of off. Like, is anybody else feeling off? Okay, so like most horny young adults, I put my feelings on the internet, and surprisingly a lot of people told me that they were feeling off as well, so something to do with the moon. I just did my cards, pretty telling stuff. I'm just gonna sit with my feelings for a bit and see how I go. I'm running very late. I'm just heading to Parramatta because I've got rehearsals on the book launch thing. 20 minutes late, woo! The moon is massive today. I can't find it right now because I'm in Parramatta. Can you hear those church bells? A bing bang bong, a bing bang bong. My Becky's here. You can see my name over here. And also as a sub-editor over there. Just drove to the office for the very first time in like over a year. Traffic was really good, so I'm happy. And I got a spot right on the roof. I'm not too late. The This is gonna be a bitch to climb back up. Oh my god. I just love. Woo! Today was a long day, but it doesn't end here. I'm gonna get my flu shots. Hopefully I get to sleep soon. Get vaccinated. So I'm sorting out this mess today. I'll see you guys soon. Voila! So I tried to go for that like 90s look. I re-dyed my hair. Can't really see it, and I shaved my sides to clean it up. This is my Sydney Writers Festival outfit 1. Try to go for like the 90s grungy 2000s look. I don't know how to feel about this fit, but I'm late, so I'm just gonna have to wear it and see how I go. I'm just your mom. It's a video. I'm your mom.
And your mom.
I'm your mom. I'm your. Yeah, it's a video. I'm a cool mom. I'm a cool mom. I'm the sweatshop mom right now. Hello. Taking advantage of golden era right now. I have dinner plans tonight and I'm so tired, and I was meant to nap after I got home, but I got distracted by TikTok. Anyway, I'm driving on the M4, so wish me luck. It's 7 in the morning. I have to catch my train soon. I need to be at the Writers Festival at 9. I'm excited and so scared that I'm gonna stuff up, but that's alright, because mistakes are human. I'll see you guys. My family's like very safe and fine, and I think that comes with the privilege of that they get to speak English.
The most important issue when it comes to race, but also the issue that actually
you know, but we're here to be fine. So. Yeah, hello.
다